Here we have a flat planar mirror and a penguin that's looking in the mirror, and then that eye up top is your eye. So what we're going to do is kind of figure out what image you're going to see in the mirror. You're going to see an image of a penguin, and we're going to use ray tracing to figure out what that image is going to look like. In order to see the penguin, we need light to reflect off of the penguin and travel to the mirror and then reflect into your eye. So this is the path that the light will travel from the top of the penguin's head to the mirror and then into your eye. And it's following the law of reflection. So the reflected angle is equal to the incident angle. And your eye is going to assume that light travels in straight lines. So your brain is going to say, I think the light came from behind the mirror along this straight line. Your brain kind of draws that dashed line behind the mirror. Now this is all to see the top of the penguin's head. We also want to see the whole penguin, so let's look at the other end. Let's see what happens when light comes from his feet and goes into our eyes. So this is showing the light coming from the penguin's feet, reflecting from the mirror into our eyes. And our brain is going to say that that light ray seems to come from behind the mirror along a straight line path. So I'm going to draw that dashed line, which is what our brain says is happening. And so we can use those dashed lines that we've drawn behind the mirror to get an understanding of what the image of this penguin will look like in the plane mirror. We will see a penguin that is the same height as the actual penguin. There's no magnification of the image. And we'll also be able to determine that the penguin image seems to be the same distance away from the mirror as the actual penguin. These two triangles are similar triangles, and the base of this purple triangle is equal to the base of the green triangle. And so what that tells us is that the image of the penguin appears behind the mirror at a distance equal to the distance from the mirror to the actual penguin.